Hey, do you like paying taxes? I know I don't like to pay taxes. And a lot of people think that taxes are just what we pay with our paychecks, or sales tax or property tax, that kind of thing. But there's hidden taxes out there. For example, I'm here at the Boise airport on my way to San Diego to do a podcast interview. And then I'm going to Florida, and I didn't want to take 2 bags. Now I fly first class most of the time, so I get 2 free check bags with first class ticket. Well, I didn't want to take 2 bags, so I took 1. And my 1 bag was 1.5 pounds over the limit. So instead of 50 pounds, it was 51.5. And Alaskan Airlines wanted to charge me $100 tax for that extra pound. So now I'm carrying my CPAP machine on with me because it's like 3 pounds to get me under that 50 pounds. So one of the ways that you can avoid some of these hidden taxes is to make sure your credit is good enough to where you can actually get a rewards card, like an Alaskan Airlines, a Southwest Airlines, a Delta, American Airlines, etc. And this way you can avoid those baggage fee taxes that they like to charge us all. Isn't that ridiculous? We buy the ticket, and then we got to pay fees for the bags, fees for the water, fees for the seat. You know, Allegiant Airlines is one of my favorite airlines. I fly it all the time back and forth to Las Vegas because it's one of the only direct flights. But they charge you, literally, you buy your ticket and then they charge you for the seat. Not for an upgrade, but for the seat. So one of the ways to avoid that seat tax, baggage tax, is to get a card. So if you have credit issues, reach out to me. I can help you out with that. You might not know this, but Fortress Credit Pro, America's first paid on results credit repair company, one of the most successful credit repair companies in America, is my company. I founded it 13 years ago, and now we're doing free credit repair. That's right, free. You will never, not one time, ever receive a bill from Fortress. You do have to have an active monitoring account. But other than that, it's free. You got to pay for it anyway. Even if you hired, one of these other big companies, you still have to have monitoring because that's how we see what's on your credit report. So if you need help with that, reach out. If not, get you a rewards card so you can avoid those hidden taxes. Have a good day.